If the goal is to improve life in the new year, then here are my simple and effective 7 resolution ideas for the new year and how you can make them work. Without further delay, let's jump into the topic. Welcome to Blush with Me. Tip number 1. Wake up 10 minutes early and meditate. Now here is a twist to how I meditate. Instead of meditating and saying, I will do this, I want to achieve this, say what you will do to achieve what you want. So instead of, I will lose weight this year, or I will control my temper, or I will be nicer to other women, say, I will eat my meals on time, or I will look away when I'm about to yell, or I will be nicer to other women and find something worth complimenting them. By the way, let me know if you agree if the world will be a far more positive place if women are much nicer and genuinely hope for other women's growth. Tip number 2. Keep your phone 5 feet away before you go to bed. If your phone looks like this, then this tip will help you wake up the first time your alarm goes off, and hence make your plan of waking up early more effective. Next tip, include more vegetables with all 3 meals. Eating more vegetables with whatever protein you're eating helps with your digestion. It helps with your weight loss, it makes your skin look better, so hell yeah, this is a very simple and very effective New Year's resolution idea. Next tip is to travel. Travel to 1 or 2 places that you have on your bucket list. Traveling can change the mindset of having to live your life in a bubble when you can go out and live every day to the fullest. Though it may seem scary, traveling alone can be a liberating experience. When you're alone in a new place, you tend to ask for directions, use maps, GPS, and talk to strangers, some of whom might become your friends. This makes you realize that if you want to reach a destination, you may have to get out of your comfort zone, but the results are rewarding. Next tip is to change your to-do list. Now, most people find that in general, to-do list does not work because 1, they get overwhelmed just by looking at all the things that need to get done. 2, they don't know how to prioritize the items on the list. 3, they feel they're continuously adding to their list but not reducing it. There's a sense of confusion seeing home tasks mixed with work tasks, etc. Now, here are my golden rules to making this to-do list work for you. Number 1 is to categorize. Brain gets overwhelmed when it sees more than 7 to 8 options. It wants to shut down. Separate the tasks into different categories and don't have more than 7 to 8 tasks on each one. It might work well for you to have project list, follow-up list, don't forget list. By the way, add watch Blush with Me videos to that list. You will know what will work best for you as these titles will be different for everybody. Now, after you categorize, add estimations. You don't merely need to know what has to be done, but how long it will take as well in order to plan effectively. Now, imagine on your list you have one task that will take 30 minutes. Some could be completed in under 10 minutes, another that could take up to an hour, or some could take over 4 hours. So divide them by the estimated time expected. You need to know the moment you look at the task, otherwise you undermine your planning. So add an extra column to your list and include your estimation of how long you think the task is going to take, and be realistic. Celebrate more. Celebration helps us stay in present where our power is. By celebrating the completion of every small step, we leverage the powerful energies of gratitude and momentum. Celebrating is a recognition of a life well lived and well worked. Celebration is emotion. It is emotional nourishment. Yet sometimes we simply don't feel like celebrating because we've fallen into the habit of harshly judging ourselves. When this happens, there is a negative feeling remaining in our bodies from challenging events in the past. Celebration can bring a positive twist to anything. So do it. Next one is to dress well every day. If you find yourself standing in front of your wardrobe every morning, wasting time, wondering what to wear, and finally settle for the first thing you can grab, then this tip will help you dress better. It is easier to achieve this by planning your outfits the previous night. When you see that it probably takes the same amount of time to plan your outfits, minus the frustration, it's easier to adapt this habit. Now also make a board on Pinterest and Instagram with pieces styled by popular bloggers or celebrity with pieces that are similar to the ones that you own. For instance, find blushwithme_Parmita on Instagram and save the pictures and outfits you like from my page. My favorite takeaway from today's video is not just what you want, but what you will do to achieve the result. This is probably the best way to make your resolutions work. Your thoughts on today's videos go down in the comments below. What is your New Year resolution? Commit to it by writing it down in the comments. Once you have hit the subscribe button and the bell you see next to the subscribe button, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Click up here to see some more of my videos that will be very helpful and super entertaining. And then you're good to go. And now I am good to go. See you next week. Until then, stay stylish. Signing off, your Chicago-based image coach and lifestyle photographer. Blush with me.